What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 of answering your questions about the Samsung Ventless all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit. So let's get to it. I'll do my best to answer your questions to the best of my ability. Before we get started, as you can see, there is an upgrade right behind me. That is the Samsung Vented all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit. To my left, we have the Ventless system, and this is the vented version of that system. But this video is not about the vented system, although we will discuss it briefly. The video is about the ventless system that I owned and paid for with my own money. We will briefly talk about the vented system, and we'll get to that here in just a minute. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to answer all the questions that you guys have posted on the last few videos that I've done. I'll post a few of those videos. These are the videos that you guys have commented on, and these are the questions from those videos and those comments. I've answered them in the videos, but I wanted to do a video response to those just in case you guys didn't understand. You can get more information here. The first question I get asked all the time is, what's error code 5C? It's in this part right down here. And so if you follow my video down in the description below, you could see exactly how to clear that error for yourself. So the next question is, how do I set the washer to use the bleach that I put in the dispenser? So this is a great question. Basically what's going to happen is whenever you pour that bleach into the system, into the little drawer, it is going to just use the bleach automatically for the next load. So be careful, because you may need to run a rinse cycle or something after that to get any remaining residual bleach out, especially if it's something important that you want to take care of on the next load. Next question is, can you add a dryer sheet in between the wash and the dry cycles? That's a great question. So the answer is yes, you can stop the drying process. Here's how you do it. There's two ways. Basically, you can either just do a wash cycle, so that way whenever you're ready to dry, you just do a drying cycle only. If you want to do both of them and you're hanging around the house and you want to, take items out, add dryer sheets, add those little scented things, whatever you guys want to do, you can set the drying prep to on right here. After the unit has finished with the wash cycle and it's time to dry, the dry prep will give it about 10 minutes to where you can add things or remove things as needed. Somebody said they loved them so much they bought 2 of them. Well, guess what? I bought this ventless system with my own hard-earned money, and Samsung was nice enough to send me this vented system for me to test and try out. And I would like to thank them so much for being the sponsor of today's video. This Samsung Bespoke laundry machine has a fast cycle that takes approximately 68 minutes. This is based on using the super speed cycle with a 10-pound DOE load. That's 50% cotton and 50% polyester. Individual results may vary based on actual load content. It's incredibly easy to start a load of laundry. Just turn it on, select a cycle, and press the play button. And if you need to clean the filter, go ahead. AI appliances just make your life better.
Start washing and drying on the normal cycle.
The ventless system plugs right into a 120 volt outlet. The 240 volt vented system will require a 4-pronged dryer outlet. Samsung's vented AI laundry combo is designed to wash and dry in a single cycle. No transferring, no wasted space, just clean and ready to wear laundry. Both of these laundry combos come in brushed black and dark steel. Both the vented and ventless systems both feature a stainless steel drum along with tempered glass. Be sure to click the related products tab down below so you can get yourself a Samsung Bespoke all-in-one vented combo unit so that you can experience home living made simple. Somebody's wondering how much static builds up inside the system. Well, with the stainless steel drum, there's not a whole lot of static that I can tell from either one of these appliances, either the ventless system or the vented system. That stainless steel drum really helps to keep the static down, and it's really a nice feature for these appliances. Now, on the vented system, I haven't really ran enough loads through to be able to give you a definitive answer, but the ventless system, I've ran at least 100 loads through. I haven't really noticed there being a crazy amount of static buildup on clothes, either like with a king size comforter or, I don't know, it's not there, and I don't even use dryer sheets, so take that for what it's worth. Next question is, can you change the direction that the door opens? And unfortunately, on the Samsung all-in-one units, the answer is no. For the best of my ability, you cannot change the direction that the door opens. It is set, and that's it. I couldn't find any actual documentation from Samsung's website, but I did find another website where a Samsung representative did comment and say that it was not possible. So take that for what it's worth. Somebody said whenever they pull their lint filter out, sometimes it's wet. Well, there's a heat exchanger inside the ventless system that will spray water to keep it clean, and sometimes residual water will build up at the bottom of the lint trap. Just be sure to clean it after every cycle. Anyway, guys, I'd like to thank you guys so much. Really, I really enjoy all the comments that you guys have posted on my channel, really asking for help, asking for questions, and really me just being able to give you those answers to my experience with the ventless system. So I really, really appreciate it. And I can't wait to dig into this vented system and really give you guys exactly what you're looking for. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. And again, I'd like to thank Samsung for sponsoring this video and providing me with this all-in-one vented system. Thank you guys so much. I hope each and every one of you have a great day. Take care.